Well, it's Sandy's suggestion, so I hope you are having just a great time with Round the Hay Bale and Friends tonight. But you'll never guess where I am when it comes to gardening. It's cold and snowy outside, so I have my plants, not all my plants, but a bunch of my plants, in a spare bathroom, in the bathtub. And things are starting to come up. Plants are growing. So when it warms up just a little bit, at least I'll be able to plant my brassicas. So what's my suggestion this week? Use every space you have to start those seeds. There's no reason to spend $5, $6, $7, $8 on one little plant when you can start it from seeds. And so I have a lot of different things coming up. These are castor beans. These are nasturtiums. Flowers, sunflowers. There's a little tomato. And this isn't the only place I have my different vegetables in my house because it's too cold outside. Just a suggestion. Start seeds every place in your house.